Welcome to this tutorial of Zogo CRM QuickBooks Integration. In this video, I will show you how to sync data between Zogo CRM and QuickBooks. Let's start. Once you install the extension, you can find it inside your Zogo CRM. As a very first step, you need to register as a user in this extension. So select the New User Register Here option. Start providing your first name, last name. Email address. And give a new password. Here, choose the data center where your Zogo CRM is hosted. To know this, move to your Zogo CRM URL in browser. Here, my Zogo CRM has .in domain extension, so I have to select .in from dropdown. If it has .com, then select .com from here. If it has .eu, then select this. If it has .com.au, then select this one. If it has .com.cn, then select the last one. Now I select .in from here. Once done, click on Register. After you register, next you need to connect your Zogo and QuickBooks account with this extension. Click on Connect to QuickBooks button. Here select the Connect button to connect your QuickBooks account. Next click on Connect to Zogo button. Select this Accept button to give permission for the add-on to access your Zogo CRM account. Once you connect, it will show this terms and conditions of the add-on. Read it carefully. Then click the Accept button. You can now start syncing data between Zogo and QuickBooks Online. Zogo CRM QuickBooks Integration lets you sync records in different methods. The records can be synced while it is saved in Zogo to QuickBooks. You can perform historical sync of Zogo records to QuickBooks, copy to QuickBooks Sync, and automatic prompt sync from QuickBooks to Zogo CRM. Before you perform any record sync, you need to do the mapping. There are two mapping sections. One is Zogo to QuickBooks and the other is QuickBooks to Zogo. QuickBooks record sync to Zogo CRM is done automatically via cron. To set up this, all you need to do, move to QuickBooks to Zogo tab, turn on the Enable Sync from QuickBooks to Zogo option, choose the module, and start mapping the fields. The fields are auto-mapped. You can also change it. Once done, click Save Mapping button. If you do this, then the sync will happen every 10 minutes and it syncs all QuickBooks data to Zogo CRM. Now let's see how to sync the records from Zogo CRM to QuickBooks. Move to Settings tab. Enable the On-Save Sync option to sync Zogo records to QuickBooks while you save the record. Now I'm going to create a contact in Zogo. Before that, make sure to map the customer module in Zogo to QuickBooks mapping. Move to Contacts module and start creating a new record. Fill all the required fields. Once done, click Save button to save the contact. If you check the logs, you can see the contact's record gets synced to QuickBooks successfully. You can also view the record inside Customers in QuickBooks. The next method of sync is Copy to QB. You can use the Syncs feature to sync your existing records. Now I'll show you how to do that. Open any existing contact or any supported module record. Open the record in Detail View. Select this Copy to QuickBooks button. It will sync your customer record to QuickBooks. If you see the logs, it shows the status as success. Let's check on QuickBooks. The record was created inside my QuickBooks account. Let's see the last type of synchronization, historical sync. Move to Zogo CRM and visit the extension. Select Historical Sync tab. Historical sync is mainly for syncing existing records created in a particular period. You can sync only 1000 existing records using historical sync. If you want sync more than 1000 records, you can contact us using the link here. Select the module from here. Choose the From Date of Record Creation and choose the To Date. Click on Sync button. And select S to sync records. Totally 11 records are processing in sync operation. Once the sync is completed, you can verify it by checking logs. Here you can see the status of each record sync, or verify the records manually inside QuickBooks. You can resync the failed sync records using this sync button after solving the issue. Zoho CRM QuickBooks extension supports multi-language. To set up this, move to Settings tab and select the language menu. Here choose the preferred language from drop-down and click on Update Language button. Now you can use the extension in your desired language. That's all. Hope this video tutorial will help you learn about Zogo CRM QuickBooks Integration extension. Thanks for watching the video.